Hey there, welcome back guys. This video special thanks to Joy from Neewer Marketing for sending us a neon rope light. That's right, if your kids, maybe you're having a party or just want to put this in your entertainment room, without any further ado, we've got you covered. We're going to show you how this works, and it actually works with Alexa too. And you're only limited by your imagination. As you can see here, you can put any shape. 5 meters, which is equivalent to 16 feet. It's the NS02, so you just can shape them accordingly to how you want them on your wall or wherever it is, maybe outside on the shed. So this is it right here. As you can see, really nice packaging. It's white, but when you light it up, it will illuminate to the colors of your desire. It does come with this right here. There is an app you can download so you can add it and sync it to your Alexa. As you can see, and these little things right here help you mount it into the shape that you want so that when you put it on the wall, it just fits just right. This is the controller. See, really nice. And then this goes in there like that. And then we just find a plug, a little outlet laying around somewhere. I'm going to put it on me because we can't, we won't be drilling in our walls, but you kind of get the idea. Really nice, clean, very clean white. Oh, wow. So this one's probably the end. You're only limited by your imagination. You can try and make that cat right there. Managed to plug it in down here. These are the colors that we have. This is the power switch right here. So again, we can turn it off, hold the button down, and you can change the colors to, it'll cycle through a couple of the colors. At least I saw one that I liked, which was the blue, red, green. And then we have here, the bottom button controls, see, the brightness. So you hold that down. Really nice. The colors are clean. I'm not crazy about the rainbow, but let's see if we can change it with the M, which is probably the mode buttons, right? Ziggy, turn off blue lights. Not bad. Well, it definitely will light up your night. And let's see what we have here. Switch cycle through the lights. Oh, this one's really nice. You have bright white, and then we have rainbow, and then we have here the other colors. Nice pink. Pink would look cool. Oh, this is really cool for a party. And look at that. And definitely something you can put on your walls, take down if needed. Just have it up for temporary. Huh? Definitely a must if you're gonna have a pool party, high school end of the year party to celebrate. We downloaded the app. Click on the plus button, and it should find the light. See, there's the NS01, 3M, NS. This is actually so you need to choose which one we have. The NS02, the 5M, okay? So that would be this one right here. And go into setting. After turning on Bluetooth, search for nearby devices. And search, see, there it is right there. Sweet. And now it's even Christmas time. You can do it. This can be for the holidays, right? We got white, blue, all the different colors. So click allow while using the app. Probably what it's connecting to, the little hub right here. It's probably where the brains are. Save the password, neon rope. That's fine. We'll just call it that. And neon rope light, there it is. Wow, look, this is much easier than finagling through the button, holding it down, pressing it until you see what you like, because look, we can control. I'll be the holiday spirits today. Oops, don't break your stuff. So definitely not designated for the party only. Also the holiday. That's the spirit. So let's say 53%, turn it up. Wow, it's brighter. Or swipe, see, lower. And this is all through my phone, brighter. And then as you can see, we have the colors to choose from. You have color. So I like that. See, you could actually use this as a backlight, which is great. You can probably swing it around so it illuminates all the way up and over, and you can just control it. Remember, you can control it with Alexa too, and you have the full spectrums right here. So you're only limited by your imagination. I want that color. I want this color. Oh wow, so I can have it choose from a different shade of blue. Maybe you don't like blue. Maybe you like green. Maybe you're Irish. Maybe you like red if you're Swedish Forge. This is great. And then you have scenes similar to the Lamari lights that we were sent. You know, as you can see here, you have flame. Oh, wow. So these are just different features. Sunrise. That one, Flower. No. Deep sea. I'm more into the deep sea colors, so I won't be following the rainbow. And I just need a solid color. There's definitely enough to go around your tree because, like it said on the box, it was exactly 16.4 feet. The average tree size, you can go all the way around and have it illuminate with whatever colors your heart desires. Probably do white on the tree, but you decide. You can see it's just one way. Thank you so much for sending this to us. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.